Today I'm making a mini frittata in the Insta Pot, and oven directions will be at the end. I'm using cubed or diced ham and the Hormel pre-cooked bacon, grilled hot dogs that have been sliced down the middle, then cut again, and 1.5 cups of cheese, 6 eggs, 2 cups of water, a metal pan from the Dollar Tree. You're going to want to butter it really well and set it aside. Go ahead and measure out 1 cup of milk that you're going to be putting in the eggs. Crack open your 6 eggs into a bowl. Use cracked black pepper into the eggs and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. The pepper is to your taste. Now start whisking the eggs up really well. You're really going to whisk the eggs well to get a lot of air in them. Dump 1 cup to 1.5 cups of Fiesta cheese into the egg mixture. Pour 1 cup of regular milk into the egg mixture. Whisk the egg mixture really well and set aside. In the metal loaf pan that's buttered and prepared, dump in the weenies that's been diced up that was grilled, the diced ham, and the bacon. Stir it around well to make it even. Next, we need to take the egg mixture and pour it over top of the meat mixture that's in the loaf pan. With your spatula, stir it around well to get everything distributed evenly, and then pour in 1/2 cup of cheese. Put the trivet inside the Insta Pot and put in 2 cups of water. Carefully place the metal loaf pan with the egg mixture on top of the trivet. You may need to pinch those little corners in. Place the lid on the Insta Pot, lock it in place, and put it in sealing position. Set the Insta Pot on manual pressure or pressure cook for 20 minutes. Natural pressure release. After 10 minutes, you can do a quick release. The frittata will be golden and fluffy, and the center will feel firm and springy. Carefully remove the frittata, and using your spatula, cut it into slices and try a piece. It's really good. I hope you fix it for your family. It's good to heat up, and you can add a little cheese to it on the top. Thanks for watching. If you're doing it for the oven, it's 350 for 35 to 40 minutes or 400 for 25 minutes. Like, share, and comment below your favorite frittata combo. Pair the frittata with fruit, cottage cheese, or a favorite veggie.